Okay, guys, I'm going to pick up where I left off, and hopefully this will help you. So we were at the point of looking at this problem. And remember, you look at the rows and then the columns when you are writing an array. So this array, as I seen, many of you had 4 rows and 3 in each row, which is 12. And you are correct. There are 4 groups of 3, which equals 12. Now I would like for you to pause the video and look at the next one and write it on your board. What did you get? There are 1, 2, 3 rows, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row. 3 groups of 6 would be how many? You could count by ones all the way to here. You could skip count by 12s to get to here. Or you could know your multiplication facts. You could write this as 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is skip counting by 6s. And you would get 18. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18. Let's move on to this one. How many rows are there? There are 4 rows. How many are in each row? 4. So there are 4 groups of, instead of saying times, let's say groups of. 4 groups of 4 equals what? We could say 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, and that's the same as skip counting by 4s. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4 is 16. Or if you knew your multiplication facts, you could say 4 groups of 4 is 16. You could also say 4 plus 4 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. This one is 3 groups of 2 equals 6. Look at the last one. This one is a big one. We have 6 rows, and how many in each column? There are 4 in each column. You could skip count by 4s 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That might take a while. Or you could say 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. Or you could know your multiplication facts and say 6 groups of 4 is 24. I would advise you to start learning those multiplication facts. Practice, practice, practice. Let's look at the multiplication facts. You should be able to do the zeros because 0 times anything is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. If you have 0 groups of 4, you have 0, and so on. But what if we change that to a 1? We have 1 group of 1. That means we only have 1. If we have 1 groups of 2, that means we have 2. If we have 1 group of 3, we have 3. Anything times 1 is that number. So I would like for you to start with your 2's because it's easy. 2's is doubling. 2 groups of 3 means 3 plus 3. You're doubling it. 2 groups of 4 is the same as 4 plus 4, which is 8. Practice your 2's. See if you can do them. If you have your 2's down, record yourself and send it to me.